Hi everyone! Today we are going to show you how to draw a school bus step by step. Grab a pencil and paper and let's get started. Step 1. Draw the wheels. Start with a smooth circle for the front wheel and another one close to the right margin for the rear wheel. Step 2. Draw the base. Grab that ruler and draw a horizontal line through the wheels. Add another one below, connect them with vertical lines. Step 3. Draw the lower body. Draw a rectangle over the chassis, not too high though. Keep it real and rounded at the top left corner. Before we continue, take a second to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Details about our products and services are in the description below. Step 4. Draw the upper body. Add another rectangle on top, but make it shorter on the left side. Connect it to the lower body with a diagonal line. Step 5. Draw the door and windows. Add a rectangle for the door and make it all proportional. And don't forget those rounded corners. Step 6. Add the lights. Draw a vertical rectangle on each side above the chassis. Now our bus can shine bright day and night. Step 7. Add a name. Let's add a touch of personalization. The name School Bus on the side. Take the drawing to the next level, adding a background. Draw a line below the wheels as our road, then go wild with your imagination. Coloring your drawing. Remember, school buses are usually yellow. Stay inside the lines and make it pop. We hope you enjoyed learning how to draw a school bus with us. Don't forget to check out the video description for more on our art tutorials and services. And let us know if you have any suggestions in the comments section below. Thanks for watching!